Okei. Hei kaikki, kuuluuko ääni? Joo. Eli mä oon Kirsi Kaulanen. I'm Kirsi Kaulanen, sculptor, and I live and work in Porvoo, 60 kilometers from Helsinki. But my kind of heart home is in Lapland, in Äkäslompolo. Where is my root, and that little village and its mountains affects a lot to my art. It's my inspiration village. I start from 2002 from Porvoo Art Factory. Here in this picture I make handmade paper. And through handmade paper I ended up to laser cutting and steel. And handmade paper always needs some structure when you build a sculpture of it. And I tested different materials and I ended up to plywood, and I cut it a lot, many kilometers by hand. And during that process I also founded ornaments. And this is a model of the sculpture 1 to 20 in front. And here is result. Big Girl, iso tyttö. And this is in Mäntän Kuvataideviikot 2002. And Kimmos Roderus was the curator in that time. 2003, okay, sorry. Yeah, okay. And here is big organic form and ornaments building a form, and light enlarge the form as a shadow to the space. I started to want to create more and more fragile lines. Plywood is too weak for that. Steel and laser cutting was an answer. It's amazing how thin line the laser can cut. My first piece I made 2005, and this is 2007, Kauneimmat uhanalaiset kasvimme, our most beautiful endangered plants. I was falling in love in stainless steel and polished stainless steel. As a material, it's a bit like linen paper. It's immaterial. It mirrors everything. That makes it very alive material. And it fascinates me how it works with the light. And with this greenhouse, I tested several lamps inside it to find a good reflections around the sculpture. And 2009 there was a public art competition to Musiikkitalo Helsinki. I had a dream where I connected two of my sculptures, Big Girl and our most beautiful endangered plants. And I won the competition, and this is Gaia 2011. Big organic form, full of details, and 150 silhouettes of Finnish endangered plants. And with silhouettes of endangered plants, I wanted to remind about beauty and vulnerability of nature. Material is polished stainless steel and sandwich structure. There is 10 mm aluminium in between two 1.5 mm polished stainless steel on both sides. And the big shadow is an important part of the sculpture. And it was a nice project. I was having almost 2 years time to test different models, and really time to work with the lighting and everything. And because they started to build the whole house at the same time when it was the competition, so I was really have a good time and good possibility to collaborate with architects, and yeah, it's very rare that you have so good time to work with public art. And this is also 2011, my solo exhibition in Galleria Sculptor in Helsinki. Name is Huokaus Site. Mother Earth cites its endangered plants to the air. And material is 1.5 polished stainless steel and light. And I started to be more and more interested into how to build a form from very fragile ornaments. how to combine fragile and monumental, and how to use sculpture with light to fill the whole space with light drawings. The space is very important for me. It's my starting point. This is Elämän lähde, the spring of life in Tampere University Hospital. I wanted to make a sculpture to look like a rose window when you look at it from the floor. I built a spring of life from very wavy lines and endangered plant silhouettes from Tampere area. And year was 2017. This is Lumen, 2016. Sculpture brings the light to the space. And often my gallery art and public sculptures intertwine and interaction to each others. Lumen from my gallery exhibition was my inspiration to Lumen, what I made to Aalto University 2018 to Väre. And this is a special piece for me because this is not a public space. Maanalliset revontulet, Underground Northern Lights 2019, Lapland kaksilauttainen planetaario and restaurant of Arctic Resort. It's 20 meter long and 17 meter wide relief. Material is 1.5 millimeter polished stainless steel and light. Relief covers almost the whole ceiling and reflects itself to the floor. I wanted the viewer get the feeling that she and he is inside the world of the sculpture. And here is De Geer at the roundabout in Vaasa. It's painted 15 millimeter stainless steel, and it's 8 meter height and 8 meter wide. It tells about De Geer moraine and the birth of Iceland. And the light designer is Sara Leino. And here is nighttime lighting. Light is very slowly changing all the time and painting the sculpture in different colors. And Sara Leino is a light designer. She comes from theater world, so she has always a story about her lightings. And it's funny that she wants to discover how the islands are born in this sculpture. But the light moves so slowly, so you need to stand there very long time to understand the story of the lighting. And here is another ball. Pohjoinen myriadi, Nordic myriadi. Now the light is inside the sculpture. This is from my exhibition in Keravan Taidemuseo 2022. And I think the roots are the writing of an earth. And here the light fills up the space with earth writing. From the same installation, Nordic Myriad, Nordic Infinity, pieces called Samsara, Andromeda, and Arcturus. And this is Arcturus. And the same installation in Oulu Art Museum. Lauri Porra made a soundscape to Pohjoinen Myriadi space. And This is our most beautiful endangered plants in Keravan Art Museum. It's like a little sister to the greenhouse, what I made in 2007. And Geysir. And sometimes the shadows and reflections are more important than the sculpture almost. And light is making the wall drawing of the sculpture. And here is Motus. It's about movement. And I started to make a very simple drawing, and then I fill it up, the drawing, with ornaments, and this is result. And I was collaborating with percussionist Teho Majamäki, and he put the sculptures to make soundscape. He put a little hammers there, and then the sculptures were making sound. Nyt me jäädään tähän paikoille. Eikö se suostu enää vaihtumaan? Vaihtuu, okei. Hyvä. So this is beginning of the monument of President Mauno Koivisto. I won this competition 2021 with model 1 to 50. And the name of the sculpture is Välittäjä Mediator. And my idea was to make a sculpture for peace. It portrays president's role as a peacemaker between East and West. Mauno Koivisto led Finland to EU. And I wanted to bring viewer inside the sculpture to remember President Koivisto. And after 1.5 year planning, make first weldings in Kokkola Pikahitsaus. They were behind lots of work, like many models, vector drawing, 3D modeling, strength calculation. Material is 15mm acid-resistant steel. Again, I was chosen steel because it fits so well when you want to build a sculpture of drawing of lines. And it will last many 100 years. So its carbon footprint is not too bad in long period. And in the end, you can recycle the steel. And here we test lightings in Kokkola Pikahitsaus. And there is Raimo Uunila, he was also making a document of this whole process. And finally, Välittäjä Mediator came to Helsinki at night time, 3 o'clock. It's end of September 2023. And it was special transport, 2 trucks, 2 pieces, and few extra cars in front and behind. And we were closing the whole traffic in center of Helsinki. And it was really exciting moment for me. And here we install the piece. And installation took only 4 hours. It was amazing how fast it went, but we were really planning it 2 years, so in that time that was helping. And here is the finished sculpture in different light situations. An idea with lighting is that we lift up the special dates like birthday of president or Independence Day and Christmas and so on. And making this sculpture was a big teamwork. At my own team, there was around 40 people. And the whole group who were taking part in monument process was around 100 people. And we were having a big celebration after this was ready, and there was around 70 people celebrating this, the whole process ending. Yeah. And last year I returned it back to ornaments. I made my first relief to wall of the apartment building in center of Kerava. And here we started welding it in Kokkola. And relief is 10 meter wide. It has 200 suspension points. Its material is 1.5 millimeter polished stainless steel. And first I made 1-to-1 print what I install first to wall and find the places for suspension bolts. And the whole installation took around 2 weeks. This part was most challenging because I was made partly freehand, and we lifted up 4 times until we find the way how it fits the bolts. Yeah, the guys were really nervous during that project. And here it is, Kehra, Circle of Life, Wheel of Life. Thank you.